Gary here. Today we're going over HAX, H-A-X, which is Headless Authoring Experience. Um, Made a joke here about H-A-E being taken because that makes sense, but if you don't laugh at that, don't worry about it. So basically, I had no idea what Headless was going into this. I just assumed Headless Horseman here, some good images. Basically what it was basically just, as you can see here, it separates the front and the back end a little bit. It makes them kind of work, separately but also together, and it kind of makes things just flow better. So the headless technology, it seemed like it was kind of like the up and coming thing. I didn't really know a lot about it going into this, but it seems like there's a good article here about headless CMSs and how like the big shots like WordPress and other places are trying to install them and everything, and how they can be used to just improve your software. So basically, what that just means was I thought I just had a pretty good analogy here of like like the APIs, the therapist trying to help communicate the front end and the back end, and it also I liked the fit. It was only loads what was new on the website. So there was on the HAX website here, you can check it out. There's a headless horseman, but so if you just inspect the website here, go over to network, filtering on XHR, and you see there's nothing going on here yet. But if we were to refresh the page, it would load up all of these things. And you see each one of these things are the JSON sites, which is what HAXcms uses to build the websites, and it just pulls what I need here. So you can break these down here and then see like this is basically what's in each of the like what is it. This basically just loads like each page of the website here that I have, or like the first page that I have pulled up here. I have the first one, but so then like whenever we click the next one, it'll just pull the next page and not everything else that's new. See, it just pulls in that thing down there, and then we can see it just pulls these. So it just pulls the new pages where like I didn't have these pages beforehand. So it's kind of just shows how it can be faster and how it can be lighter, because HAXcms doesn't have to run everything the whole time. It's just kind of running. My Mac will be in sleep mode soon. All right. So it just kind of shows that it's it can help. It's easier to run, and then I did HAXcms was pretty easy to use. If you just wanted to add, let's say, another page here, I could just either add a page by just clicking literally this add a page button, and you could do that, or you could also go to the site structure here, and then you can see like the layout of things and add a page, and then that would be like another tab basically that you could add. And then if you want to just edit the page content, you just click here, and then it has like all the boxes where it's like this is this block, and then like I can click and edit this block, and I made this one bold, and I just control beat that, and then like, you can add things here. One thing I really liked here was like how everything is like here. It's like I don't know, like on other CMSs, it's like, all right, I want to add a music player or something. It's like, all right, well, I have to Google like the code to like do that. But here it's just like I don't know like the codes. I can just like, all right, I just want a music player, and I just click music player, and like it just pops in, and then you just you have your music if you had something there. But I don't. Then you can upload a file. So that was something that I really liked, and I thought it would be good for kind of like the newer and upcoming people who don't really know like how to code and everything, or like HTML structures. Whereas this is kind of like does the hard work for you, and you can like make a website. Like I made this whole thing like pretty easily, and it's like decently customizable with like what you can do with it. I did have some downfalls here just because I don't know if there was a better way to add a link, but like if I didn't want to make a hyperlink for say, like I just wanted to add a link, and like you copy and paste the link, it copy and paste it just as like text. It doesn't make it a hyperlink. So like let's say like I just copy and pasted, I don't know, this Wikipedia page, and then if we were to edit it and it posts that, but whenever you publish it, it just comes up as this. Like you can't click this link. So like what you had to do was you had to like go here and click basic link. And then also I didn't like that the first thing for the link was like an upload. I feel like it'd make more sense for the first thing to be URL, because you have to switch it to URL and then post the URL. Then you have to pick how you want the URL to be. And I understand this because I don't know why it would ever be something other than the basic link. Like, how could a URL link be, something else? I guess it could be one of these things. I don't know. But, and then just, I don't know. I found that a little bit hassling. That was something I bitched and moaned about here. But just and then also that was something else where I posted on this, I couldn't really, I didn't know how to edit this picture size. Like, I wish, on Microsoft Word, you can just, I thought it was something here with drag, but it was just like on Microsoft Word or something. If you put it, you could just have arrows in the corner, you just drag and resize it, to scale in and out. I thought that'd be something that I would be useful here because this is much larger than I anticipated it to being and I want it to be. So I thought that'd be something nice to have. And then it also, just briefly here, I don't want to run too much longer, but the Swagger API is just basically, standards to make sure everything runs smoothly because with open source and just everyone doing their own thing, you need some type of rules so that things work across the different platforms. And you can check that out on here on their. This is their Wikipedia page about it, and then they had a pretty good GitHub link that had a lot of good, just basic information about on their README down here. Just kind of some overviews about what it is, and if you want to check out examples and how it works. So, but that's all I've got today, and I will see you guys later.